All right, welcome to week 2 of digital learning. Okay, so I'm gonna have daily little information updates for you. And if there's changes, if there's not changes, I'll just post it on the website. The same information on the day. Uh, so first of all, please join my new Padlet link or Padlet site for math. I'll be using that for you to post like pictures of your exit tickets or your closures or some assignments, not a lot, but some images that it's really hard to create uh, a test or a question that you can submit online. All right, so please run my palette by following the link. Big ideas. All right, so I need everybody to make sure that their Big Ideas account is up and running. For my homeroom and Miss Clanton's class, we've been doing it all year, so nothing has changed. You should be good to go on that. But if you have any questions, uh, I'm the person you need to ask. Um, So I'm actually talking to more so. I'm talking to Miss Barnes and Miss D's class. Log in, check your big ideas, see if it works. If you're having any issues, please contact Miss Barnes. She's gonna be your point of contact. I'm talking about for login troubles only, not content based, but login troubles. She's gonna be your point of contact to answer your questions and try to get you troubleshooted. I don't have access to your classroom and big ideas, so I can't really do much for you. And I'm talking strictly about just accessing. So you can also log in if you go to my web resources on top of the page. That has instructions on how to get to big ideas. All right, and the last due dates. All right, this is actually a mistake on it. Not Friday. Not Sunday. It should be Friday. All right, so all deadlines for math need to be turned in by Friday at 5 p.m. All right, we give you guys Friday. We don't assign new work on Friday just so you can go back and complete any makeup unfinished work. It is very important during this digital learning that you submit on time. No extensions will be with no extensions without prior approval from your teacher. This is a lot is going on with the digital learning, and a lot of the time is focused on other things like creating the content for the digital platform and just answering questions. If you think about it in the classroom, you may have 4 students or 5 students may have the same question on something. Usually, one person raises their hands, asks the question, and the teacher answers it, and then all 5 of them get their answer. Well, the digital platform is not like that because I still may have 5 people with the same question, but they're all emailing and they're all they're all asking that question individually, so I have to answer each question individually. So just keep that in mind. Deadlines are a must. This is a very yeah, just so keep that in mind. All right, so go ahead and resume to the warm up. Do the warm up first before you watch the video.